Hello friends. As you know, there is no need to use instant pot lid for all modes. Instead, you can use tempered glass lid as needed. Makes it more convenient, safer, and easy to monitor. Also helps to avoid lid locking issues. So here I am to share my ideas when to use transparent lid for instant pot and where to buy. You can use other lids also, but transparent lid is very handy being see-through. You can monitor easily without opening lid and avoid accidents with batter over fermentation or burning with salt mode. Let's get started. First thing, let's see when to use. You can replace Instant Pot lid with other lid for non-pressure cooking modes, which don't need pressure or sealing. For example, with yogurt mode for yogurt making, proofing dough, boiling milk with boil mode, and also fermenting batter. Especially useful to monitor if batter over ferments and avoid Instant Pot lid locking. You can also use it with salt mode to avoid splatters while tempering, making sauces, or thickening dishes after pressure cooking, etc. With steam mode for boiling milk, steaming veggies, etc., where no pressure sealing is needed. Similarly, for slow cook mode, perfect for soups and stews. Also useful to make dishes with non-pressure modes when instant pot lid picks up strong smell from previous dish and kept for open air. For keep warm mode, to keep freshly cooked food warm after pressure cooking. Also to cover hot rice varieties like white rice, biryani, palaws after cooking. Helps to avoid drying top layer. Now let's see where to buy. You don't need to buy lids specifically for instant pot. Instead, you can use any lid from your stovetop pan, pot, or skillet. Just make sure it fits inner part exactly or big enough to cover. If you want exact measurements, for 6 quart instant pot, inner part width is close to 10 inches. So 10-inch pan lid fits perfectly. Similarly, for 3 quarts instant pot, 8-inch lid fits well. If you don't have right size lid in your kitchen, buy any glass lid as per your inner part width. No need to look for instant pot branded lids too. Hope you find my tips useful. See you again with many more amazing tips and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.